This is the Beastmode Developments YouTube channel, so welcome. Welcome guys. What's up guys? So this video will be a little bit different to what you guys are used to watching. Some good news. Team Beastmode are moving to a new workshop. So I've come here today to grab a hoover and some other bits. There's a new bin behind me, some toiletries, bleach, and you know, the usual cleaning stuff. I'm gonna head down to the new workshop and get busy. So you guys can come and have a look inside. Here we are now at the new workshop. New unit, that's it. So I'm gonna open up, start unloading the van, and we can get cleaning. We've got a lot of work to do here, but it will be amazing once it's finished. So as you can see, there's a train track literally right outside. This will be good because once I've got all the signage up, we should get quite a few people see the workshop daily passing on the train. So this is the workshop. Staircase we're planning on to have moved over to here so we can get full usage of the workshop floor here and just drive vehicles in as opposed to drive around. This bar here, which is just holding electrical sockets, that's going to be removed, taken out. We have got a small shutter this side, which we can fit cars in. Measured it up in comparison to the workshop that I have at the moment, and it's the exact same width as the small side. Obviously toolboxes and equipment and machinery will go around the edges. Have a small kitchen here and toilet, and then upstairs we have 3 rooms. First room will be used as a storage room, so maybe any parts, equipment. This is the room that will be a waiting room to actually wait while the vehicle's being done, as opposed to where I am now. There is no waiting room, so customers have to head off to the pub or get some food. And this will be the Beastmode Development's main office. So here we have it, fairly small, but be able to get a desk, monitor, little bit of storage over there, and obviously we looking out onto, I wouldn't call it a forecourt, but a few parking spaces there, and lovely blue skies when it's summertime. So yeah, this is just an insight as to what it looks like now. Obviously it'll be completely different once we have worked our magic. Right, we have got Ben on the job. Beat Electrical stepped in. What's that? They're ready for you to take out. They're ready for me to take out already. So, as I was showing you guys earlier, this bar is in a very, very stupid position. Ben has already disconnected what needed to be disconnected so that this section can be taken out. We've got a lot more work to do. Not right now, but very, very excited. New things, big things come in. A lot of tidying. Started making a move on the staircase. I did say the staircase was going to be moved along, taken down a top banister, and I've had to remove the front edge of the wood so that we can drill into the top of that. So this is where we're at now. We have moved the staircase from the left hand side to the right side, as you can see. I've put the railing back up. However, if you look, we've got quite a gap on the side here. We've got a bit of a gap here as well. A little bit of an annoying situation. The camera that I have been using to try and film has been playing up. So I think a lot of files that I've tried to get recently have corrupted. I'm back here in Chertsey in the workshop. Van is sitting very nice. So we have made some progress with the van. I'm not going to tell you too much about it because this video is not about the van. I've dropped by to pick up a welder, a couple of lengths of wood, and a saw. Here we are now back at the new workshop. As you guys can see, it's a lovely Beastmode sign here. So I'll just recap what we've done. We've moved that staircase from there, from left to right, just to allow us better access for vehicles in the center. This shutter will be used. Have a vehicle here, so there'll be one bay there, obviously a bit of storage underneath. So that's that done. I'm going to move this railing, so ignore it, that's not bolted in properly. This railing is going to be moved a little bit further this way, so because we don't actually have enough on the bar, we're going to have to pack it out with a bit of wood, a bit of 2x4 I believe that is, and we'll just put a strip of the wood down on the wall, paint that black, then bolt that, the ends to the wood. Hopefully that should pack it out far enough to meet up in line with this, and then we're going to weld some bars here from here to meet this section where it will bolt in with those pieces there. So that's why we've got the welder, that's why we've got the saw. That's that bit over and done with. We are on to another day now, and started getting decorating. Didn't actually end up going for the grey like I talked about in the end. After watching a few garage renovation videos, I thought, you know what, black is the new grey. So we've gone for a black wall, top brick is a gloss black, and underneath is, it's supposed to be satin but it's come out matte. Obviously it does need another coat. Still yet to do this wall and that wall there. Obviously have to touch up the bits and give it all a second coat. So it's looking good so far. Need to paint all the plugs, all the, what's that called, conduit or whatever, staircase or railings here are going to have another coat. So yeah, we are getting there, we're getting there slowly, but it's taking a long time. We need some extra hands. So yeah, thinking about ideas in the sense of how to decorate the workshop with signage and lights and stuff like that. Yeah, I can't wait to see it finished now. Satin black on all the plugs around here. We still have to give the walls another touch up, or a second coat. So a lot of the walls, well, the walls haven't had a second coat, full stop. Ben's here, lending a hand. Sinead's here, over there, getting her paint on. But yeah, the plug sockets and all the trunking has come out pretty good. We're gonna let that dry off, give it another coat. And then afterwards, paint the walls. All in, it's not cost too much money. It hasn't cost too much money. Thank you, Ben.
Look at him, look at him.
Yeah, so very, very, very happy, very excited. Got some lighting for the office upstairs, got some wallpaper, got some paint. But yeah, I think in total so far, it's probably been, I don't know, price-wise, I'm just trying to think. Price-wise, I don't think I've spent more than £200, in all honesty, including cleaning stuff, to clean everything up, paint, and brushes, rollers, stuff like that. So, on a budget so far. Obviously it looks so much better with the staircase on that side. But yeah, that's about it. So second coat of paint to go on, and then we're pretty much done down here, minus the ramp.